Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Teachers Day, which is on September 5th. So let's move to the video. Teachers Day. Teachers Day in India is celebrated on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned scholar, recipient of Bharat Ratna, and first Vice President and second President of independent India. He was born on 5th September 1888. As an educationist, he was an advocate of education and was a distinguished envoy, academician, and above all, a great teacher. They play an important role in our lives to become successful in career and business. They help us to become a good human being, a better member of society, and an ideal citizen of the country. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, hardship, and the special role that teachers play in our lives. Importance of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is one such event for which students and teachers equally look forward to. Teachers' Day is important for the students as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put in by teachers to ensure that they get a proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to the Teachers' Day celebration as their efforts get recognized and honored by students and other agencies as well. In this, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasme Sri Guruve Namaha. Its meaning is Guru is truly a representative of Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. He creates, sustains knowledge, and destroys the weeds ignorance. I salute such gurus. Who are teachers? Teachers nourish and prepare students for their future as they are real icon of education, knowledge and wisdom. They create awareness among the students and common people. They are a source of light in the world that has been darkened due to ignorance. Our teachers are true pillars of success. They help us to garner knowledge, improve our skills, grow confidence, as well as help us to choose the right path to success. But despite playing such a crucial role in the lives of students and in nation building, they rarely are shown the gratitude that they deserve. So, as a students, it is our duty to thank them at least once a year, and Teachers' Day gives us an ideal opportunity to do so. A value of teacher. Even according to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, teaching is not a profession, a way of life. Further, he added that teaching is not profession but Jivan Dharma and asked teachers to understand changes happening across the world so that they can prepare a new generation to face them. In fact, it is a divine responsibility to guide and enlighten. He also said that India should regain the status of Vishwaguru, leader in education, by giving high respect to teachers, whom he asked to encourage students to think critically about issues concerning the nation. He told that teachers' determination and sincerity will shape the destiny of the nation as they are laying foundation and the building blocks of the society. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 5 September 1888 to 17 April 1975, was an Indian academic professor, philosopher, and politician who served as the first Vice President of India 1952 to 1962 and the second President of India 1962 to 1967. Radhakrishnan was awarded several high awards during his life, including a knighthood in 1931, the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India. In 1954, an honorary membership of British Royal Order of Merit in 1963. He was also one of the founders Helpage India, a non-profit organization for elderly unprivileged in India. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Since 1962, his birthday has been celebrated in India as Teachers' Day on September 5 every year. Quiz based on Teachers' Day. First question. Since when is India celebrating Teachers' Day? Option A 1962, option B 1972, option C 1965, option D 1975. Answer 1962. Second question. How did Teachers' Day originate? Birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, birthday of Indira Gandhi, birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, none of this. Answer birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Third question. When did Dr. Radhakrishnan became the President of India? Options 1952, 1962, 1972, 1982. Answer 1962. Fourth question. Who said that teaching is not a profession, a way of life? Option A Dr. Radhakrishnan, option B Swami Vivekananda, option C Gulzarilal Nanda, option D Narendra Modi. Answer Narendra Modi. Fifth question. Which of the following statement are correct about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan? He became the first Vice President of India and was elected to the Constituent Assembly of India. Option B. In 1954, he was awarded Bharat Ratna. Option C. He had received the Peace Prize of the German Book Trade in 1961. Option D. All of them are correct. Answer. All of them are correct. Sixth question. University Education Commission was formed in which year? 1928, 1935, 1948, 1950. And the answer is 1948. Eighth question. On which date? Seventh question. In 1931, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became the Vice Chancellor of which university? Option A Mysore University, Andhra University, Karnataka University, and none of the above. Answer Andhra University. Then eighth question. On which date in India Teachers' Day is celebrated? Answer 5 September, 5 October, 14 November, 5 October. Answer 5 September. Quotes of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. First, books are the means by which we build bridges between cultures. Then, true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. And then, a life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Success is not good teacher. Failure makes you humble. Teaching is very noble profession that shapes a character, caliber, and future of an individual. Let's appreciate all teachers who had taken a great effort in their life for teaching. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for watching our video.